Good morning, all the judges. Good morning, all the teachers. My name is Sharda, and my partner name is Miss Poonam Saggu. We both are going to present a game. The name is Numero Opera 2.0. So, in this game, we are going to tell you how the kids will use the board mess rule, and they can play it, and they will enjoy in playway method. So Miss Poonam ma'am is going to tell you with the presentation how we will execute this game. Ma'am, over to you. Please continue.
Yes, thank you, Shraddha ma'am. Very good morning, respected judges and all my fellow friends present over here. Welcome to Famer Game Educational Game Competition. So the name of my game, as said, is Numero Opero 2.0. This is basically designed to make students think by using mathematical operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division by making use of rules of Bodmas, and it is applicable for students of grade 5 and above. The materials used for this game is a board game, the number board, dice, and the marbles. So, how are we going to play the game? Now, this is the setup of the game, as you can see on the board. There are numbers in the set of 12 arranged on four sides of the board. You have to use marbles and the dice to play the game. So now we begin with the game. Here I have the participants. Instead of taking participant 1 and 2, I name them as green and blue. So now green will throw the dice. Here we are using three dice at one go. So all the three dice will be thrown at one go. So here the participant green has received the numbers as 3, 6 and 1. So using the Bodmer's rules, he has come out with the answer as 3 into 6, that is 18 minus 1, 17. He will be placing the marbles on 17 and gaining 1 point. So one marble, 1 point. Next will be Blue's turn. Blue will be throwing all the three marbles together at one go. He has got the numbers as 5, 4 and 2. By using Bodmer's rules, he has come up with the number of 18 and he'll be placing the marble on 18. Next is green's turn. So green has got the numbers 3, 3 and 4. Again with the help of Bodmer's, he has come up with the number as 5. He's placing his green marble on number 5. Now the main catch comes is when it is blue's turn. So blue has got the numbers 6, 3 and 2. So using the Bodmer's rules, he has come up with the number of 16 and place a number on 16. Now, green will also be playing the next turn and he has placed a number on 6. Now, there is a bonus point over here. The main catch is that if you make an answer in such a way that you get your number in series in one go, means in one go after 5 you get the number 6, after 6 you get the number 7, in one go in one series, if you place your marbles, your color marbles, you will be getting bonus points. So now after 5, the green has placed his marble on 6, so he is getting a bonus 5 points because he is getting it in one go. In one series he is placing the number. Your target should be either you have to block your opponent by placing the number in front of, placing a marble in front of its marble, or placing the marble in one go ahead of your marble so that you gain the bonus points. Next is now it was blue's turn. So blue has also gained 5 bonus points because he's placed the marble on 15 by using the Bodmer's rules. Now, there is a challenge in this round, in this game. Now, what is the challenge? Now, blue's turn is that he's used the numbers 4, 5 and 2 and come up with the answer of 7 using Bodmer's rules. 4 divided by 2, that is 2 plus 5, that is 7. He will be placing the marble on 7. Now, the other person opponent can challenge blue that your answer is wrong, because according to green, the calculation done by green is also correct and the calculation done by blue is also correct. So green will say that your answer is wrong. So blue has to prove himself that my answer is correct. See, I have calculated in this way, so my answer is correct. So if he tries to prove himself, so green will be challenged. He will be given a penalty and his marble will be removed and minus 5 points will be given. So for every one marble, 1 point will be given. So if you are placing it in a go, in a run, in a series, you're getting bonus 5 points, and you can also challenge your opponent by saying that your answer is wrong. So these are my 5 hot points to play this game. And this game can be, variations can be made on this game by changing, instead of dice you can use play cards. If marbles are not available, you can use counters. So it depends upon the availability. And you can also play this game in 2 to 3 levels. The first level you can use 3 dice. In the second level you can use 4 dice to increase the difficulty level. And in the third level you can use 5 dice to increase the difficulty level to 12 to 15 or so on, according to the difficulty level. So thank you so much. So this was my presentation on numero opero.